guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Tenyang. I am currently a student nurse here in Auckland, and I have decided to vlog for a week straight and show you guys what and how life is as a student nurse here. And in case you are interested in studying nursing or coming to Auckland, I hope this video helps. So yeah, let's get started. So today is Monday, and on Monday we have to go to hospitals, and usually on Mondays we have the longest hours. Our class starts at 8:30 till 4, but today I have OSKI, which is like a practical exam. So today is one important test and it's a must pass. So yeah, let's get started. Ta-da! This is my uniform and we wear it on every Monday. So today, since I have exam, obviously I have to wear it, and we have to wear black trousers below, and then we have to wear black shoes, which I'm gonna wear when I go downstairs. And we have to tie our hair up, of course.
Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line. I've got cold feet, winter drives me wild. I can't fly down on the Friday. I was meant to meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize. Sometimes I run out of things to say, and it turns out you've got one too.
We finished practicing our blood pressure. Now we're gonna discuss the terms. Say hi to my blog. Is that all? You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Vicky and I am a student nurse.
From Unitech.
Say hi.
Freezing in Westwood, we don't give a fuck. Never a night just for the two of us. Wish for my timing for good or bad luck. My car got locked in the parking garage. We took an Uber straight to your home. We lay together but never too close. You know I want you, I need you the most. But we both know we gotta put it on hold. Love is an easy thing to worry about, romanticizing every moment aloud.
Hi guys, I'm done with my OSKI and I came back to my room just now. After my OSKI was done, I went to McDonald's. One of my uni friends, Olivia, she is super nice and we had a great time together. We talked and catch up with each other, and now I'm gonna get changed and I don't have any class for the rest of the day. So I think I'm gonna edit my YouTube videos, and yep. Guys, I was editing the video till now and it's currently, time is currently 6. I was editing from 4, I guess, and I'm almost done with another video that I'm working on. And my families are here, so they're making lots of noise, so let's go downstairs. Who's making all the noise?
He's got a last minute goal. I'm not talking. I'm not going to talk. I'm going to be so annoyed.
Guys, I'm running so late now. I have to leave in like 4 minutes. I overslept. I haven't eaten my breakfast yet. I just woke up and put on some clothes. This is my outfit for today. I'm just wearing a jean and then a shirt and then sweater. This is my fit for today. Good morning. I lost one of my earrings.
8. There is a chick.
What? Made it on time.
And I was very impressed. Organisms and disease, called germ theory. So many of these diseases are caused by microorganisms. So. Lost homeostasis in some meaningful way. So what causes disease?
So this is my frozen fruit concoction. It's got some granola down the bottom. It's very dry. I didn't have any yogurt to put in it today.
You should make a YouTube.
So now all together, we're going to do karakia. Deep breath in through the nose. Hold, hold. I'm sorry, hold up. Y'all need a katoa. Strong. Honie, hui, tai, kaupai, inoho. Sit down with me, guys.
So next semester, I say this, but I'm not actually going to do it. I know it.
No,
I always
just put it
procrastinate.
in your
And then
I just got back from uni and today was so exhausting. We only had 2 classes, but each class is like 2 hours. 2 hours is like too long for a class, guys. Like, it was so exhausting. I'm so hungry now. Look what my brother bought. The other day, my brother came from Costco and he bought this huge ramen of 20 packs. And also, I'm gonna upload a vlog today. You guys probably watch it by now. If you haven't, go watch it. Let's eat ramen. I'm so tired, guys. Like, I just want to go to sleep, but I gotta eat something. I'm so hungry as well.
It's RSM.
Time is currently 3:40, almost 4 now. I'm gonna go and practice driving. So yeah, let's go.
RSM.
Часом форк отлично.
Yay!
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, good morning everyone. Just woke up and today is Wednesday, 24th of May. It's 9 and yes, I didn't went to college today because we do not have class today. This week our class schedule is kind of different because of the Monday OSKI that we have. I have a few assignments that I need to do, so I'm gonna do that today, and I need to edit my YouTube videos, and that's like major plan today. I'm gonna go take a shower and have my breakfast and start my day.
It's RSM.
Time is currently 12:30. I just got back from outside. We went to shopping. I got this one. I got this from Kmart, and then I also bought clothes from Glassons. Let's do a quick haul from Glassons first. I got this sweatshirt, this black sweater from Glassons. I got full sleeve white top from Glassons, and then I got a black joggers from Glassons. I bought all the basic things like because it's getting cold here and I need like daily wears. And then I got a hoodie set, social club, and then that's the pair with this hoodie. And that's all the things that I bought from Glassons. Good morning everyone, it is Thursday and today I have class early morning from 7:30 and today I have class till 4 I think. So Monday and Thursdays are my longest days of the week because we have class till 4. So yep, I'm wearing the clothes that I bought from Glassons yesterday, the sweater, the long sleeve, and then black joggers. And look at the weather guys, this is the window. I gotta leave now or else I'm gonna get late.
Golden hour. Good morning!
Good morning!
Sun is shining.
I like to warm up my cereals and Becky thing is yuck.
It's very gross. It's hot milk. But then the cereal's like foggy. Foggy. Soggy.
But I don't like cold milk.
But the cereal needs to be crunchy.
Yeah. I left my phone back at my home. And I also left my lab coat. So yeah, great day. Great start of the day. Ah! I've lost my mind.
Please take your ticket with you and pay at the pay machine or cashier.
We're matching today.
Yes.
On purpose, not on purpose, but
unintentional. I wonder if it works like that. No.
Any other questions?
I don't really know.
So once you are
I don't know after that.
It's all good. Like we just go get our sample and then we tape it out.
Okay. Okay. We're going to swap these in the microwave and then
put the bacteria onto the plates.
So me and Olivia are lab partners, so I need to do it on my body part and Olivia's gonna do outside of body. She's doing on microwave. Which one should we go first?
This one. We'll go like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Yeah. No, do your armpit.
I reckon. Okay.
That's so gross.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Peggy's doing a vending machine. Russia, what you doing? Where are you rubbing? Oh, here?
Yeah.
Or left?
Yes.
Where's Maggie?
Oh shit, it doesn't matter now because we're stuck down here.
Hey,
Hey,
how are you?
Yeah, they do that.
What if I like did E5? What if I wanted the monster and they gave me apple juice?
It's degrees. No, that's not degrees,
No, that's
eh?
just my
It's 31 degrees because I'm so hot.
second.
It's going up in spot.
Say hi.
He's so cute.
We're done with the lab. No.
That wasn't what time? Time's on this class? 10:30. Oh, you got half an hour.
I feel like
Okay.
this class, she said it was important.
Oh, did she did?
Did she?
Yeah.
It's a guest speaker about what though?
We're skipping class.
What do you think we should just show what you got?
Should we watch Mario Bros?
No!
What? I don't know Mario. Do you not?
No!
What's wrong with you? What about Guardians? 10:30 a.m. the book club, guys. 10:45 Guardians of the Galaxy. Okay, wait, come here. Let's shoot. You guys want how far do you guys want to? Like E or F? Okay, let's go. 9, 10, 11.
Yeah. Did you watching Super Mario?
Oh.
We got snacks. Guys, the whole cinema is empty.
Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces except for
Don't know. Yeah, I didn't know they were like people.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Because everything's over now, and all that's left is you and the infinite void.
Oh no, it was a good movie. The characters are so cute. What do you rate this movie out of 10? 10 out of 10. I give it a 10. Like I give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah.
I took your bag and I took my bag. So
Did you tap my thing? Yeah, it's on.
Oh, hey guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Do you have notes from it? What's the movie? Talk about it.
So we just watched Super Mario Bros. And it was really good.
We're glad that we skipped because apparently the lecture was so boring.
Yeah. So we didn't do anything wrong.
Good decisions. No.
Well, that was you. I was like, look at my angles right now.
In the shower, and I was less direct. You know, when I was that one that I said, print it, memorize it, put it up on your wall. There's a lot from this particular unit.
We're done with the class. Happy weekend. Again, wave. Gummy bears. Oh, it's not gummy. Say bye. Bye, vlog. Happy weekend. Hello, guys. I am back in my room and it's currently 2:40 and we don't have class on Friday. Yay! The weather is so nice today. I think I'm gonna go and play basketball.
Slide into my messages. It's been 2 months. You wanna know just I've been. I bet you wanna pick up where we left off. I guess you thought I've been waiting all this time. So you miss me, now you want me. Taking back into your life. Are you looking for a therapist? Are you looking for a friend? What kind of situation do you think we're in? You could have had me at 100%. I was in it. I give me everything when I'm all in. We could have been it. Just leave the past in the past, baby.
또